Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to Destiny. Hey girl, thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So, bam, we're jumping right in. These are my short square full soft gel nail covers. As always, the link is down below. I do sell these in my Etsy shop. And if you use the code FTLON for the love of nails, FTLON, all caps, you can get 10% off your purchase. But as you can see here, I'm just going in and I'm just sizing out my nails, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. This is honestly my favorite shape. I absolutely love the shape. It's currently on back order, so it's a pre-order. If you do order it, it's going to take about 2 weeks to come to you, so just keep that in mind. I do have other sizes and shapes in stock. However, we're going to go in now with our Polygel. This is my favorite Polygel. It's in the shade Light Apricot by Bottle Ones. And for our slip solution, we're going to be using alcohol. I typically use alcohol and not actual slip solution. I don't know, it just works better for me. But I'm going in with my Polygel and I'm just applying this to the full nail cover. You guys seen me do this 1,000 times. Really quickly, like I say in every video, I just make sure that the cuticle area is flushed, and you want to make sure that you spread the Polygel sidewall to sidewall. I like kind of tilt it left to right just to make sure that I fully covered each side, because when you're looking at it straight down, it can be very deceiving, because yes, it's covered straight down, but you want to make sure you tilt it to make sure you're hitting all angles. But yeah, ain't too much to it, y'all. So I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me do this. I do have a very detailed video coming up soon that includes prep, that new prep method I was telling you guys about, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'm so inconsistent lately, and I'm just in between transitioning jobs right now, so don't mind me. My world has just been a little hectic, but I'll get back in the swing of things soon. 2 videos a week like I normally was doing. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me apply the nails, and then I will be back. Oh, very quickly, I do want to mention, as you can see here, you want to make sure that you are flipping your hand underneath and you're patting it down to make sure that it's flat, because you don't want it to be bulky. Ew, we don't like that, especially when you do longer nails. You can kind of avoid this with shorter nails, but since these are a bit longer, this is definitely a step that you don't want to forget. So I'm just making sure that it looks nice and flat from all angles, as you can see. Okay, so here's what they're looking like. We're gonna go in with some no wipe top coat. This is a subtle glitter top coat. Love it. It's one of my favorites. And it is a no wipe top coat. So I'm just gonna go in and top off my nails. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just sitting here making my TikToks. As you can see, there's my @ and a QR code for easier access if you have your phone. Follow me on TikTok. I post nail content, you know, cute little vlog type things, aesthetics. You know, I'm all about the aesthetics, girl. Anyway, I'm going to go in with this Beetles gel polish. This is in a white shade. And I'm going to go in with this marbled nail palette that I purchased from Shein. And I also purchased these nail brushes from Shein as well. And I'm just going to go in and whoop, do my design. Let me tell y'all, you know how I always be like, ooh, I love these nails. This is my favorite. No, these nails were actually my favorite. Bitch, let me tell you, every time I look down at my nails, happiness, just pure happiness. They were just so bomb. Like, I love them. Also, as you can see here, this is a new tool I got from Amazon to make my nails straight. Oh, greatest investment. It's linked in my Amazon, and I'll link it down below. In my next video, I'll do a more in-depth tutorial and show you guys how I used it. If you do a little bit longer nails like this style right here, you need it. It's a necessity because it makes all of your nails perfectly even at the top. Love it. Makes life so much easier. But yeah, I'm just going in and, you know, painting away. I don't have the steadiest hands, but this design was super easy. So if you know, are a little intimidated, don't be, because give it a try. I'm not the best when it comes to doing lines and stuff. This one was just mad easy. So here's what we're looking like. Super cute, simple. If you want to stop here, you could. But you already know we're going in with the full on bling bling, period. So everything is from Amazon, and everything will be linked down below in my description, because from the nail glue to the rhinestones to the nail picker, everything is off of Amazon. So I'm just going to go in, and I kind of just did it random with my stone design. And what I do is, like, I look at Pinterest and everything for like stone placements, because honestly it's kind of hard doing stone placements. You think that it looks good, and then once you get it on your finger, it looks a little janky. So I just kind of copy different stone placements that I see off of Pinterest and stuff, the ones, you know, that look really good. So that's all I do. That's how I decide which nails were which. Every nail had a different type of design with the stones. They weren't all the same. So I'm just going in and doing that. These are AB crystals. If you had pure, like the silver crystals, bomb. But these ones were cute too. I'm starting to like silver more than AB, but I did not care. These nails were still fabulous. And let me tell y'all, this rhinestone nail glue, bomb.com. I absolutely love it because the hold on it is so strong. It's insane. I kept that nail set on for 2.5 weeks, and I think I only had 2 stones pop off. For 2.5 weeks, that's, you know, I couldn't ask for anything better. 2 stones, and they were small ones, and they probably popped off because I just didn't put enough gel on them. So I definitely recommend it. It's the Beetles rhinestone glue. This is my MelodySusie 2-in-1 lamp that I'm using, by the way. 10 out of 10. Recommend it. I have a discount code for it for MelodySusie, but it makes life so much easier because the nail drill is actually in the lamp. So I have a discount code in my description, and it's also linked in my Amazon storefront. Bam. Using my cuticle oil. I'm coming out with new cuticle oil sticks soon, so stay tuned for that because I'm super excited. As I say in every video, make sure your cuticles are hydrated, because if they're not, it don't matter how cute your nails are, they're gonna look crusty. Cuticle oil is essential. So bam, girl, here are the final results. Are you kidding? Look how gorgeous. Oh, literally, give it a try. I absolutely love this design. This nail shape, everything is just perfect. My soft gel full covers, they really make life so much easier if you have problems shaping, so I definitely recommend giving them a try. Here's a little close-up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave this video a like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.